What's up? What's up? This is Umar Sholi. I'm back on business. Everybody can follow me on TikTok. That's all I gotta say.
TikTok-gayga ka shidan tahay isma waan ana hataa waan soo galay dadka waa niikiya waa ciyaara lag ani sanad dhahaa bootiyo snapchat-kayga xaday bootiyo inaa daa maqashiin raadiya asaa snapchat-kayga xaday. What's up TikTok? I'm new to the game. Follow me on TikTok. It's me, King Sholi. How you guys doing? I miss you guys. Hello. Hi everybody. And around the wall, it's me, King Sholi. I'm back on business. Follow me on TikTok or Snapchat, King Sholi 22. King Sholi 22. Follow me. What's up? Instagram. How you guys doing? Oh, is this TikTok or Instagram? I came from a long way. People has to know that. How you guys doing, by the way? All my fans, I want to say what's up. How you guys doing? I'm doing good. It's me. That was Salamantain Bushuin Somali Melbourne at Chuk 10. All my fans, I want to say what's up. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, King Sholi 22 on Snapchat. How you guys doing, matter of fact? TikTok. It's my new song is coming out. It's called TikTok. DJ Oda Ogle Lahanka Sasare. Igule Dada.